You open ChatGPT. You type your question. And you get an answer that feels almost human. But here's what nobody is telling you. That answer isn't thinking. It's predicting. And that difference changes everything. Every single word you see is just the most probable next word based on billions of examples. Like a supercharged autocomplete on your phone. But autocomplete doesn't understand what you mean. It just knows what usually comes next. ChatGPT is the same way. It doesn't have thoughts. It doesn't have feelings. It doesn't even know what it's saying. So why does it feel so real? Because the training data was massive. Every book. Every Wikipedia article. Every Reddit thread. Every piece of public text ever written. The model learned patterns. Statistical relationships between words. Nothing more. When you ask it a question, it's not retrieving information. It's generating a response that matches patterns it has seen before. This is why it sometimes hallucinates. It makes things up with complete confidence. Because it's not checking facts. It's checking probabilities. And sometimes the most probable next word is just wrong. This is the dark secret. The thing OpenAI doesn't put in their marketing. ChatGPT is a mirror. It reflects the biases, errors, and truths of everything it was trained on. Garbage in, garbage out. But amplified by billions of parameters. When you use it for important work, you're trusting a statistical parlor trick. A very impressive parlor trick. But still a trick. So what do? You treat it like a brilliant intern who lies sometimes. You verify everything. You cross-reference. You never blindly copy-paste. You use it to generate ideas, not facts. You ask it to explain concepts, not to give you the final answer. You become the thinker. The AI becomes your assistant. The moment you flip that relationship, everything changes. You stop fearing replacement. You start leveraging acceleration. Because the real dark secret isn't that ChatGPT is dangerous. The real dark secret is that most people use it wrong. And that gives you an edge. Be the person who knows how it actually works. Be the person who asks better questions. Be the person who verifies. Be the person who thinks. ChatGPT is a tool. A powerful tool. But it's only as smart as the person wielding it. So wield it wisely.